Now let's talk about several different possible ways of finding the length. This is a particularly good example because it goes around the Smith chart point right here, which sometimes confuses you. So let's talk about 2 or 3 different ways that we could find L1, or L2 rather. L2 is the distance from here all the way around as shown by the yellow arrow. The way that we just did it, that I showed you how to do it, was to go 0.21, follow this around. Down here is 0.38, 0.39, 0.4. Right here is 0.50. And then just start adding 0.5 into everything. So here is 0.54. Over here is 0.6. This is 0.61. Right here, this would be 0.61, and so on until this would be 0.678. Now that's one way to do it. So one method is to take 0.678 minus 0.21, and that's going to allow us to find L2. Now here's another way you could do it. Another way you could do it is notice that the entire distance around is 0.5. And then you could subtract off this little bitty distance right here, which is 0.21 minus 0.178. That's another way to find L2. And yet another way would be to find this piece right here, all the way up to 0.5, and add in this piece right there. So let's see how that would work. That would be 0.5 minus 0.21. That's the first section. And then we're going to add in the other part, which is 0.178. That's another way of finding L2. All of these things should be equivalent. So you can find that distance by just adding numbers on until you get to the correct number. You can find it by taking the entire circle and subtracting off the part that you don't need, or you can find it by breaking the line that you need into 2 pieces.